Hello, and welcome to the assembly guide for the Shaker Panel King bed. Even if your box is damaged, it doesn't mean the product is damaged, and we offer free replacement parts if something is broken or missing. As you open and unpack the boxes, we recommend organizing all like pieces together. Our furniture is both 100% solid wood and 100% sourced from renewable forests in Brazil. If needed, feel free to tap these dowels labeled C6 into their place using a hammer. A downloadable PDF of the assembly instructions is available for download on the products page on grainwoodfurniture.com. These A1 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply some pressure until they catch. The B7 bolt should be screwed down hand tight or until the headboard top and headboard bottom, pieces 12 and 13, are snug against the headboard posts. The center rail bracket, hardware item D43, should be aligned to the bottom pilot holes on the headboard cross piece, piece 07. When assembling the footboard, ensure the footboard cross piece, piece 05, is oriented with the D43 pilot holes on the bottom, or towards the feet of the footboard posts. Before locking down the B7 bolts, double check the side rail, piece 08, is square on the bedpost. When attaching the headboard panels, pieces 06, take note of the part number sticker. That is the back of the panel. Slide them into the notch and push the panel into place. Do your best to center the headboard panels, pieces 06, into each of their respective windows or gaps. There are no pilot holes for the A9 screws. You will need to apply pressure until they catch. Do your best to evenly and squarely set up and space your roll of slats. There are no pilot holes for the A14 screws. You will need to apply pressure until they catch. When tapping in the wood caps, use something that won't damage the finish, like a plastic handle or a rubber mallet. You can use a piece of wood as a buffer if only a regular hammer is available.